Hello. So today I'm going to be talking about standard number four, which is all about critically thinking. And so the teacher candidate is able to use that critical thinking, problem solving, and performance skills to be able to teach their lesson and to encourage their students. So I had a lesson planned where I did all about the black codes, and this was a primary source analysis. So what the students did is that they we watched a video on like what the black codes were, just to give like a good explanation, since the Jim Crow laws and black codes are the same. And my students knew what Jim Crow laws. This was just a good explanation to understand what black codes are, since they weren't as like known in a sense. Um, and so what we did is we looked at Louisiana specifically. So in Louisiana, those are the ones we specifically looked at. Each of the students had a list of them. So there's about 12. And what they did was they read it and they had to write it in their own words. Um, and so they had to write in their own words basically what that certain code meant. And what I did is I went through two of them with the students, and then they, when it broke down the breakout rooms, had to work together and critically think, how can I translate this into my own words? Um, and it was a great lesson because it really helped them problem solve. They really had to think, they had to work with others, which is a performance skill, and they had to really critically think about how they could transfer this into their own words. This goes along with my philosophy of education because in my philosophy, I want students to be able to look at history, understand it, but then be able to explain it in their own words. Because I think that's a great way to be able to understand history. And I think that's a great way that they're able to accomplish it because then I can understand that they knew that the curriculum. And something that's my future goals is I definitely want to do more primary source analysis. My students loved it. They thought it was super easy, um, in a sense that they were able to really dive deep and understand it. Um, and so it was a great lesson. I was very happy to do it, and it was a great way to show standard four. Thank you.